Anytime you go to build anything, whether a home, a shed, a driveway, anything that's a hard surface, we need to address stormwater. There's various different ways that we can do that. We can do that with rain gardens, infiltration trenches, dry well seepage pits. And one thing that's very common that people are able to do is disconnected impervious area, which is simply just utilizing the grass, letting the water to flow over the land and infiltrate in. So it looks like you're not doing anything for stormwater, but you really are. So a lot of times when homeowners call, they're often having some anxiety about what stormwater is and why do they have to address it. Normally after we have a short conversation, we're able to pick a solution that works best for all. They find out it's not very painful at all to address stormwater.